How to fix Lenovo laptop black screen issues. To fix Lenovo laptop black screen issues, try 1. Check your battery. 2. Reset your display mode by pressing the Windows logo key plus the Control key plus the Shift key and B at the same time. 3. Hard reset your Lenovo laptop by completing these extra steps: shutting down your laptop, remove power cord, remove battery, disconnect all external connected peripheral devices. And cool down your Lenovo laptop for about 30 seconds. Press and hold the power button for about 60 seconds. Reinstall your battery and power cord and boot your device. 4. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 5. Terminate then rerun the Explorer.exe. Process via Task Manager. 6. Disable Windows Fast Startup option. 7. Perform a system restore.